What's Device Guard and Credential Guard hardware readiness tool for Windows 10? What are Device Guard and Credential Guard? Device Guard and Credential Guard are security features in Windows 10 and Windows Server 2016 that help protect your device from malware and credential theft. Device Guard uses hardware-based virtualization to isolate the code integrity service from the rest of the operating system, preventing malicious code from tampering with the system or running unauthorized applications. Credential Guard uses hardware-based virtualization to isolate the credential manager service from the rest of the operating system, preventing malicious code from accessing or stealing credentials such as passwords, tokens, or certificates. What is the Device Guard and Credential Guard hardware readiness tool? The Device Guard and Credential Guard hardware readiness tool is a tool that you can use to check if your hardware meets the requirements for enabling Device Guard or Credential Guard on your device. The tool can also be used to enable or disable Device Guard or Credential Guard on your device, as well as to check the compatibility of your installed drivers with these features. The tool is available as a free download from the Microsoft Download Center. It includes a README file that contains usage instructions and examples. ## How to use the Device Guard and Credential Guard hardware readiness tool. To use the tool, you need to run it as an administrator from an elevated command prompt. You can use various parameters to specify the action you want to perform, such as checking the hardware readiness, enabling or disabling Device Guard or Credential Guard, or checking the driver compatibility. For example, to check the hardware readiness for Device Guard and Credential Guard, you can use this command, dg_readiness_tool_v3.6.ps1 capable, to enable Device Guard and Credential Guard on your device. You can use this command, dg_readiness_tool_v3.6.ps1 enable, to disable Device Guard and Credential Guard on your device. You can use this command, dg_readiness_tool_v3.6.ps1 disable, to check the driver compatibility for Device Guard and Credential Guard. You can use this command, dg_readiness_tool_v3.6.ps1 hvci learn more. 1. Device Guard and Credential Guard hardware readiness tool. https://www